Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And while that other video was loading, I started thinking, it looked pretty cool to do it the way the original person did it. So we're going to make a duplicate of that. You notice how it got brighter? It's because it's laying on top. And I need to move it to the center. And then I'm going to rotate it just a little bit. And maybe a little bit too much. Let's go to 2 degrees. And then I might have 2 of those. Yeah. See, I've really got it uh, kind of translucent looking. So you've got 2, and there's what's so cool about it, the 2 that meet in the middle are a little bit, and we've already blurred it. So if you didn't watch the first video, you need to watch it. And then grab those 2, and if you notice, I came off the eyeballs, so I'm only getting the 2 complete objects. I'm not getting the entire anything else, and I'm going to Control G and group it. Then I'm going to move it to the center. And what's so good about this, now we could still do our 80 degrees in 44 times. And it gives it a different look. It might still be too much, but I like it. And then just to go ahead and finish it like we did in the other video, just make a little ring. And I'm totally impressed with the person that did this. He just went so fast, you can't see what he's doing. And I've lost that little ring. May ought to do is put it in here first, and then fill it with white, and then take away the outline. Actually make it a little bit smaller. And then do what we did before with the rectangle. Turn it into a curve. That allows you to move the nodes. Doesn't really have to meet, but we'll go ahead and bring that in and then rotate it kind of like the gentleman had. Turn it white, take away the outline. And I don't get to work in white, so this is pretty cool. And then we're gonna go effects, blur and Gaussian blur. And I've never really played around too much with blurs, but that looks pretty cool. And then if you don't blur it enough, you can make it transparent later by going your transparency docker and just make it a little bit and what that's going to do, it's going to kind of bleed through. I think that looks a little better. And then we'll make the shadow again. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with black this time and see what happens with the docker. We'll go ahead and go elliptical again and move it to the center. And really, if you wanted to make it a real shadow, you could add a little blue down there. And then we just need to go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and puts it behind there. And then don't forget to take away your outline. Then you could move around wherever you want. That actually looks pretty good. I still, this one maybe still be my favorite. I think it's got more, well, the pupil's bigger. The lines are a little bit longer. I like these lines. And this one looks more glassy realm because of the original blue. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.